Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the forehead bottom plate. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the front cover of the handlebar crossbar. Use a 2.5mm hex key to remove the screws that secure the position light. Remove the front cover. Pull out the hub for a certain distance. Unplug the position light terminal. Replug the position light terminal. Install the position light on the front cover as shown in the video. Screw in the fixing screws. Install the front cover with the side having words facing upwards. First, pre-tighten the first screws in a crisscross pattern. Adjust the handlebar until no white lines are visible at both ends, and the grip angle is comfortable. First, screw in the upper screws. Make sure there are no gaps. Then tighten the first screws alternately. Push the hub back. Reinstall the forehead bottom plate. Adjust the front light to the highest position. Screw in the fixing screws. Adjust the headlight to an appropriate position. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.